Harengkat lang bat laip santili ki jela ki Union Territories jokari India ka East Yente Hills District hagas ngipalay harengkat ka jingpli u menteri rangba akari Narendra Modi layo ban pli pajba ya ka oksigen plan kabadai na kamta ban sumar ya gitu ki bapang COVID kat khandai ki badan kam ya ka air oksigen ya kani ka oksigen plan na kliriat la pli do additional deputy commissioner ka East Yente Hills uba SS Imli haba keren kumu kongsan na ka jingalang kabelapan long nga kliriat CHC uba S Imli ulapan pau ke jing kemen bat ai ke jing kuble ya ka tanat ka koi ka khia bat ya ka sarkar ka balala ban penyo ya ka oksigen plan hapo ka te distrik bat ul airu ka jing kidbok kiruyang ya kinong tre ka koi ka khia bakinang la ban tre kampha ban wanra ya ka koi ka khia bat ongru ba ka jing don ka oksigen plan hapo ka distrik kan yarap shibun ya kipai ba kibaran kam ya ka air oksigen bakinyo ya ka koi ka khia kamtam kito kibayo ya ka jing pang klam COVID kat khandai.
I remember before we start this plan here, we had so many meetings, so many people coming from Shillong, so many engineers came from elsewhere to inaugurate this. We had so much pressure. The district administration and the GMHU, we are having a tough time to start this plan here. But I'm very happy that today we have been able to inaugurate this plan, which will be benefiting the people of the district, especially those critical patients which require oxygen. And also, I hope this plan can or will refill the other cylinders which we require from other places also. I don't know what is it possible, doctor? Can we refill? No.
You need an extra machine for that.
Actually, that is very important. Otherwise, this plan will serve only for the CHC here. Now, if we have that extra machine or extra equipment, which we can refill the other empty cylinders from other CHC, PHCs in the district, that will be much helpful to us. And so, what I just heard from the nodal officer of the charge of the plan, he is requesting the government to go hand in hand. I hope the medical of the Dr. Shala will pick up with the DHS, and he can now copy to the decision where the deputy commissioner can pick up with the higher authority, so that this plan will continue to serve the people of the district, especially the CHC, CHC here in Syria, which will help the patients who require the oxygen. I think what I've heard from the nodal officer is now that this is the oxygen which we are going to supply to the patients. It is not easy, as you see that fight on. But we have to be very careful. We have to monitor very carefully so that the patient will not be affected by the oxygen. Am I right, doctor? You have to be very careful. And I hope those technicians who will handle this plan and other places in ICU or whatever places you call, I know it is the first time for everyone. It is first time for me, it's first time for them also. So time will lead them. I hope these technicians, they are trained or they will be trained. They are already trained. And I hope they can handle the equipment very carefully so that it will help the people of the district. As Arias told me that I have to give you a short speech, so I'll give you a short speech. I will not say anymore. Congratulate the Gemachu and his team, who has helped the technicians, who has helped the engineers to install this machines, this plan here, and I hope this plan will serve the people of the district. And I wish you all the best. And I wish all the technicians, the doctors of the CSC to judiciously use this plan for the people who are in very need. Thank you very much.
Plan, because we will need a continuous monitoring and also a continuous maintenance of this plan. And we knew that from the very beginning that we have it consumes a lot of energy. So sometimes the shortage of power supply will be a bit of a problem, but if the government is coming hand in hand with us, we'll be able to have the system work in 24/7. So with this few words, I would like to say thank you so much for each and every participants that is coming this morning. I would like to say thank you to Sir that giving me this opportunity to share with each and everyone. Thank you.